If you are looking for some fantastic Swedish dishcloths that are great for the planet, you have got to check out these from Nordhus. I was gifted these for review and they are fantastic. I will definitely be getting more when I run out, but these are also going to last a really long time. Not only are they made with the planet in mind, but they come in fantastic different variations. You have great patterns on the front. They are very thick, very malleable, and I love when you use dishcloths because when you are finished and you squeeze that out, they dry so fast too, which keeps them so much fresher than the standard kitchen sponge. And you can use them on anything. They work great for dishes, wiping up spills. If you want to soak up a bunch of water, these stand out so much because they not only clean up those messes with ease, but then you just squeeze them out and you can keep using them, unlike a dish towel that will get soaking wet. And I really do use dishcloths everywhere. I mostly use them for cleaning counters and big messes, even messes on my floor, as I can have one for my dishes and one for all the rest of the messes. And when they get really dirty, I truly just throw them in the wash. They dry up beautifully and they're ready to use again. I highly recommend these.